Welcome to this week's 2 Minutes Tech Law Update. The European Commission has published a statement setting out the data protection implications of the UK's impending exit from the European Union. Unless a different date is agreed, as of the end of March next year, the UK will become a third country for data protection purposes, which makes transfers of personal data to it harder. If the UK's law is found to be adequate, that will make life pretty easy. But given our surveillance law framework, that's very much questionable. If we don't get a finding of adequacy, it means that a data controller subject to the GDPR will need to put in place appropriate safeguards to be able to transfer or make accessible personal data to a UK-based processor. This means, probably for most processors at least, additional contractual measures. UK-based processors will also need to appoint a representative in Europe, incurring further cost. The Information Commissioner's Office has fined Carphone Warehouse £400,000 for failing to have in place appropriate technical and organisational security measures. The fine is a substantial one, and the ICO comments that Carphone Warehouse had systemic failures in its approach to security. As a data controller, you already have obligations under today's framework, and these are enhanced under the GDPR. Hopefully, as part of your GDPR prep activity, you're looking at your security measures, but if not, perhaps this £400,000 fine might be an incentive to do so. Ofcom has published a statement following its consultation last year on consumer switching. There are three main conclusions, and the second is particularly interesting as it overrides the terms of a contract between an operator and a customer. If a customer is outside the minimum term of a contract with an operator and switches to another provider, from the point of switching, the operator cannot charge the customer for the notice period, even if the contract says they can. Ofcom requires these measures to be in place by the end of June 2019, so operators have got just over a year to think about how they're going to implement this and ensure they don't charge customers in breach of Ofcom's requirement. If you want more information on any of the things today, just visit our website decodedlegal.com/tmtlu. Thanks for watching.